Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to use Google Messages on your computer or on your web browser or on a web app. So Google Messages, if you're using Google Messages on your Android phone, you should be able to text message natively on your computer. So if you go to Google Messages for web, I'm going to put the link in the description below. It should take you to your Google Messages, but it may ask you to sign in with your QR code. Okay, so I'm just going to, what am I going to do? I'm going to clear the cookies really quick just so you can see what I'm actually doing here. So when you first go on the website here, let's refresh the page. It's going to ask you to sign in or pair with QR code. So make sure you have the Google Messages app on, and in order to go to device pairing, I'm going to show you here. I'm going to go to the phone now. So once you're inside Google Messages, you're going to want to hit on your circle or your picture on the top right. And then once you're on there, go to device pairing, right? And then it's going to show you the pairing there. Once you go there, you're going to go on the computer where it's going to say pair with QR code. Okay, you're going to press pair with QR code, and then on the phone you're going to want to go to the bottom where it says switch to QR pairing, and then it's going to say QR code scanner, and then you're going to go scan on your computer. You can do remember this computer so it doesn't, and then all of your messages are going to show up now on Google Messages here, and your notifications are going to show up here. So now it's always going to show. It's even going to show your battery as well, which is pretty cool. And then you can go to your more options. You can see your archive messages, your spam and block. You have your settings here, which is pretty dope. And it still has RCS, so that's pretty dope. So you're able to see receipts, showing typing indicators and everything there. It even the coolest thing about this as well. Just turn this off. The coolest thing about this is that even if you have Google Messages on here, which is kind of like Windows Phone Link, which that's another video, you can always, like, on the left side here. So let's say I'm not even on Google Messages, right? I'm on YouTube.com here, and I'm using test messages. On the left side, I made it a web app on Validity, but as you can see now, I have messages to the left side. So at any point in time, I can go on here, go to messages, and then there's your test messages here on any website, which is pretty dope. So yeah, so that is how you use Google Messages on your web browser on your computer. And